In this video, I talk about how I bought my first buy-to-let property and used the buy, refurbish, refinance strategy to pull out my money. Hi, my name is Joe Martin and I found this property on Rightmove in Lincoln for £100,000. After a sale fell through, I put in an offer of £89,000 and it got accepted. I knew this was a good deal when I researched other sold prices on the street. Let me show you the comparables. So the property next door sold for £135,000 in March 2023. Number 60 sold for £125,000 in September 2022. Number 8 sold for £120,000 in April 2022. This property is in good condition and has just been sold subject to contract for £145,000. Based on this information, I know if I renovate this property to a high standard, it will be worth between £125,000 to £135,000 in today's market. After completion of the renovation, I can now talk through the numbers for this deal. I bought this property for £89,000 on a buy-to-let mortgage in my limited company. This meant I put down £22,250 deposit. This is 25% of the purchase price. I paid 3% of the property value in stamp duty, which was £2,670. I paid £1,500 in legals, £350 in mortgage valuation. The renovation cost £10,500, £4,000 on plastering and reskimming, £2,000 on electrical work, £1,500 for refit of flooring in bedrooms, kitchen and bathroom, £1,000 for decoration, £1,000 for roof repairs, £1,000 on general maintenance including woodwork and gutter repairs. There was also a £500 fee to an estate agent to vet a tenant. The £500 I paid to the estate agent ensured the property was marketed using Rightmove and the tenant was vetted thoroughly. The total investment for this property deal was £37,770. Now on to the profit. The tenant moved in on a 12-month AST contract and pays £825 per month. The mortgage is £297. The insurance is £22 and the profit is £506 per month. For this property, I profit £6,072 per year. Taking all these numbers into consideration, the return on investment for this property deal was 16%. 16% return on investment is absolutely brilliant for a single let property. However, this would mean, in this case, £37,770 of the capital would be sat in the property. This is where buying a property at a good price becomes really important. Because I bought the property for £89,000 and I knew the property was worth between £125,000 to £135,000 in good condition, there was equity that I could pull from the property based on the new valuation. After 6 months of ownership, I could then remortgage the property based on the new valuation. The valuer has just agreed a new valuation of £130,000. Let's have a look at the new numbers. The new mortgage is £97,500, which allows me to repay the previous mortgage amount, which is £66,750. I can then use the remaining amount, which is £30,750, as a deposit to buy another property. It also means that after the remortgage, I'll leave only £7,020 in this deal. Due to the increase in mortgage, this has affected the monthly profit. So here are the final numbers. £825 in rent. The mortgage is now £442. The insurance is £22, which gives me a monthly profit of £361 and an annual profit of £4,332 before corporation tax. This property now produces a 61% return on investment. So there you have it, a full run through of all the numbers and the strategies I used to buy my first buy-to-let property. I really hope this information helps you structure your investment analysis and provides you a framework to take action on your goals. The reason I'm making this video today is to show you what's possible with a bit of knowledge and a good work ethic. If you're interested in finding a property similar to this, click the link in the description and I'll be in touch to see how I can get you from where you are now to where you want to get to. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, click like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.